Hi, I'm Al, and today we have the new Evolution heavy-duty S28MAG 1 1/8 inch magnetic drill with this molded carry case included. Magnetic drills are an ideal solution when you're working on industrial fabrication work such as framework, bridges, and I-beam. It has a powerful 10-amp motor and a soft start system, and has torque to cope with repeat cutting all day. A best-in-class 3-year warranty is included, so you can arrange the service of your machine when required, giving you peace of mind that it will be running strong after years of use. Evolution magnetic drills have incredibly strong magnets. Simply place the drill onto your material, be sure the depth exceed 1/8 of an inch, and switch it on here. Try all you want, but this isn't going anywhere. Ideal if you're working high up on bridge maintenance or on a commercial building construction. So you've seen the strong magnetic adhesion, but now we're going to move over here to this section of I-beam. The magnet holds on the vertical, but there's also the extra insurance of this safety strap included, which is installed like so. You have that extra security when you're working at height and there's a power cut. To add coolant, simply fill the tank here and then adjust the tap here on the tank to regulate the flow of your coolant. This will help you extend the cutting life of your annular cutters, saving you money on each job. It's got a maximum depth of 2 inches, handling heavy-duty industrial fabrication work easily. It also has a stroke length of up to 6 inches. The maximum cutting diameter is 1 1/8 inch. It has the power to deliver superior performance when working with I-beam and steel plate. There are a range of both 1 inch and 2 inch depth annular cutter kits available. The 12-piece 1 inch set includes all these sizes. And the 2 inch set has all these cutters inside. All the cutters in both sets come with their own pilot pins, and both sets are designed to make your fabrication work easy. 2 sets of 6-piece cutters are also available at 1 inch depth. The sizes are shown here. And 2 sets of 6-piece 2 inch depth cutters for when you need to work with denser metals. Sizes included with each set are here on screen. Also compatible with the mag drill are a range of tungsten carbide tipped cutters. The carbide tipped cutters look like this. These are great for when you require clean holes in galvanized or higher carbon metals. There's a 1/2 inch chuck and key included too. This further enhances the versatility for you on site. The 6 inch stroke length allows for the use of twist drill bits right the way up to a 1/2 inch diameter. You don't need to remove the arbor, so it's a quick and easy adjustment. This machine is very productive, and although relatively small in size, is versatile and easy to move around on site, whether up high or in tight spaces. And there you have it. The Evolution S28MAG 1 1/8 inch magnetic drill and molded carry case. Thanks for watching.